Have you ever heard the term API and wondered what it really means? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine you walk into a restaurant in a foreign country. You don't speak the language, but luckily, there's a waiter who understands both you and the kitchen staff. You tell the waiter what you want. He takes your request, goes to the kitchen, and brings your food. That waiter setup is like an API. In tech terms, you are a client, like an app or website. The kitchen is the server, where data lives, and the waiter is the API, the messenger. An API, or application programming interface, is a way for two software programs to talk to each other. It helps one program request data and the other respond with that data, just like ordering food. Let's say you open a weather app. The app doesn't know the weather by itself. It sends a request to a weather server using an API, and the server replies with the current temperature. Simple. But wait. APIs also protect data. You can't just ask for anything. You need the right key, like an API key or token. This keeps your data safe and private. APIs also make apps faster. Instead of building everything from scratch, apps just talk to services through APIs and get what they need. That's how apps like Google Maps, Twitter, and YouTube work with others. So next time someone mentions an API, you'll know it's just a smart middleman that connects software and helps them work together. It's like a waiter for your code. If this made APIs easier for you, give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tech explainers. See you next time.